Hi, you guys. My name is Shantae Holiday, and today we are going to be going over what goes inside of or what comes inside of the Airbnb course so that you know exactly what to expect is on the menu for your students as an educator. So, without further ado, let's get right into it. Before I begin, though, I do want to let you know that our courses are text modules, which means they are all written with a picture at the top of every single lesson, right? That goes along with the content in some way, fashion, or form. Now, when you get your course in a box or your course to go, all you have to do is you can release as is as a beta launch. You can add your affiliate links, you can edit, you can add your branding, you can add to it, add videos, webinars, your bonuses, your ebooks, anything you choose to make it best fit for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to share my screen here and I'm going to show you exactly what goes into it. And we are going to just review that together. Okay, so now on my screen, as you can see, we have the course curriculum up for that course that I was talking about earlier, the Airbnb one. So the first one is going to be the course introduction and overview. Okay, so with that, that just kind of lays a sturdy foundation for your students. It welcomes them into your course and gives them an understanding of what to expect, right? Module 2. So module 2 is going to basically cover the module objectives, okay, first. Then lesson 1 will cover the business model so that they have an understanding of, hey, we're not going into this blind. We're going into it with a plan so that we can make sure you have the best success rate possible. Lesson 2 is going to be the fundamentals of the Airbnb business. Lesson 3 will be short-term rental rules and regulations. Okay. Now let's look at Module 3. Module 3 is discussing first the module objectives so they know what to expect. Then Lesson 1 goes over finding the best property for an Airbnb investment. Lesson 2 is rental arbitrage. Let's look at Module 4. Module 4 covers the module objectives. Lesson 1 shows consider your target audience. Lesson 2 covers the cost. Lesson 3 goes over decorating, which is one of my favorite ones. My mom owns a real estate agency in Maryland, and so we used to go over, like, the decorating of a house prior to the open house part itself, kind of like escaping the home kind of thing. So I really like that. Let's look at Module 5 now. Module 5 covers the module objectives. Lesson 1 covers getting started. Lesson 2 is establishing the scene. Lesson 3 is preparing for the guest, right? So now we've already decorated. Now it's time to actually get going because we don't want to have any excuses. Module 6 covers module objectives, automating your Airbnb, and the maintenance and cleaning. And finally, we have the closing module where it literally just congratulates your client, your student for taking your course, for making it to the end, for going the extra mile, for trusting you to educate them and choosing you. And so that's the perfect place, honestly, for you to suggest your next course that they should take from you. Okay, now you know about Airbnb, but you could have the best Airbnb in the world. If you don't have proper marketing skills, how are people going to find it? That's with any business. So usually after one of my trade courses in my own personal school, I usually recommend the next course, right, that they should take. That way they can be on the best foot possible. So thank you so much for joining me, you guys. We just went over everything that comes inside of the Airbnb course in a box for your course to go. My name is Shantae Holiday, and I can't wait to join you for our next video. Bye.